This lesson covers verbs whose only irregularities are slight accent modifications. These first few groups of verbs have accent modifications in the present tense and present subjunctive. These verbs have an acute accent over the I in all present tense and present subjunctive forms except nos and vos. The verb arcaizar as an example. The verbs cohibir and prohibir have grave accents over the I. These verbs have an accent over the U. Using the verb saudar as an example. Boiar has an optional accent over the O. Aguar and its derivatives have an optional accent over the A. The verb por removes the circumflex in the future and conditional. Oer verbs have an accented I in the imperfect, in the preterite eu form, and in their past participles. Using cohoer as an example. Huir and air verbs have an accented I in the imperfect, in all preterite forms except the third person singular, in all imperfect subjunctive forms, the future subjunctive tu and third person plural form, and in their past participles. The verb diluir. And the verb sair. And that's it. A quick summary of Portuguese verbs which have slight accent modifications in some of their conjugations. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.